What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. If you're looking for the ystrap doctor in the Chicagoland area with great hands-on chiropractic adjusting, you've come to the right place. We would really love to be able to help you next. But right now, we got another one. Let's go. Oh my God. All right, we have Georgia here. She is back in. She came in for some shoulder issues before and some other back problems. But today, nothing really going on, but she just wanted to get checked on and get an adjustment. So we're gonna start with heat and loosen up those muscles so the adjustment goes better. All right, so anything sort of bothering you? Any just feeling pretty good today?
Feeling pretty good today.
Okay.
Every time I made a mess around the house, my brother was the best at helping me clean it up.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Well, that's good. What are your siblings?
Hmm?
What do you have? How many siblings?
2 sisters and a brother.
Okay.
So it was my sister, my brother, my other sister, and me.
Let your arms hang down to the ground. You said you're the youngest too?
Mhm.
Feel too bad through here. There we went. Good. Lift your chin up just a little bit. Scoot down towards your feet, your shoulders are hidden. There we go. Okay. All right, lift your chin up. Relax right down to your chin. Let that go. Let that shoulder relax and go. Good. Same thing. That's a little. Let it relax a little bit. There you go. Good.
Oh, it feels so good.
Yeah, really tight. Everything through here is pretty good. Everything up in the shoulder region, your stress region, right?
It's pretty much where I came in.
I need this.
Yeah.
All right, go and flip on your back. Any headaches or anything?
So I've been having a weird pain behind my ears here. Is that
Okay.
something?
I mean, you can have like, you have lymph nodes that go down through here. Do you get like sore on like when you put pressure?
Well, no, it's just like really right here. And I don't know why.
Let me see. Let your head just fall. Kind of in here,
Yeah.
or more down here.
First up.
Kind of here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you get allergies really bad?
No, I never
No.
had allergies. That's a lie. I only had allergies at U of I.
Because you're out in the middle of
Yeah.
nowhere. Is
I
it
look-
still sore?
No, it's like occasionally I get like these like weird sharp pains back there.
I mean, you get muscle that comes up and attaches here too.
Oh.
How's jaw? Do you ever have any jaw pain or anything like that? Clench at night?
I grind my teeth at night.
Okay.
I think when I'm stressed. I notice because my retainer like is about
Put
ripping
holes
apart.
through it, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, that can contribute there too.
I also my jaw cracks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let your head just fall. You definitely got some restriction in this upper area here. And then just relax. Good. Just one more. You just fall, let it fall, let it fall. There you go. Yeah, this one's really stuck too. Let it fall, let it fall, let it fall. Good. And up. Good. Let that fall. Let it relax. There you go. There. Good. All right, we're gonna go to your low back over there.
Okay.
Oh, this like bobblehead.
Yeah. Every time on the way here, I try to like move my neck. I was like, I wonder, and
See
just
how-
compare the difference.
Yeah. All right. Get you onto your side.
I forget which one's bent.
This one's straight. Bottom straight. This one bent. There you go. Get through here. Go. Let that fall. Let it fall. Ooh, let this relax. There it was. Nice and simple. Okay, you remembered.
Yeah. Kind
The
of.
best is when I get people who face the wall. I'm like, what am I supposed to do? Let that relax. Same thing. Let this relax too. A little bit more. There it was. Good. Should look pretty easy. Alright, go lay face up right there. I'll go ahead and take care of your ankles and hips too. Take these off real quick.
Oh, my socks are ridiculous. I never had to take my shoes off.
That's not ridiculous, it's fine. Let your hip just relax, let your whole leg relax. Whole thing relax. You said you haven't been running now or anything?
No.
Okay. Let it relax, like the other one. A little bit more, let it all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. Okay, good. Same one again with this. All the way, there, all the way.
I don't.
Sorry. Let it just fall into my hand. There you go. Okay. There. Good. Ooh, that one was nasty.
Oh yeah, that ankle always cracks too.
Which are good. This one's a little bit flat. Not terrible. Alright, good. How we feel?
Ooh, good. Very good.
Alright, good.
Thank you.
Good. Yeah, no muscle tension really or anything like that. I mean, nothing crazy. Glad you wore those socks. A little entertaining. These weren't bad. The left ankle was kind of nasty.
My left ankle, that also always cracks since high school.
You have old ankle injuries?
I've never, no, I just used to play soccer, and every time I used to stretch out my like ankles and whatnot before games, it would just always crack.
Oh, okay.
I haven't really
Clunky clunks. Alright. That's it. Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the ystrap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find you relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.